चलिए 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 चलिए, चिंटू बाबू का बर्थडे है आज। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Welcome, welcome, and welcome again. Welcome to Monk's Review. Today we're gonna be celebrating Chintu's birthday. It's party time, people. Let's have some fun. So the format is gonna be the same as before. You already know that, so let's not waste time on that. It's party time, right? Welcome to Chintu's birthday party. It's time to meet the family. First, we have Vinay Pathak, who plays Chintu's father. Then we have Tilmona Simone, who plays his mother. His sister is played by Bisha Chaturvedi, and his granny or nani is played by Seema Bhargav, and Chintu himself is played by Vedant Chibar. We also have some more guests, which we'll come to next. The other guests in this party are their landlord, who's played by Khalid, and two Marines, the US Marines, who are respectively played by Reginald L. Barnes and Nathan Schultz. That is basically the cast of the movie. The movie has a very small cast, so this is it. The performances of each and every person was par excellence. I especially like the performance of Vinay Pathak and Chintu. They were both fabulous. The only person not very well played was the sister, but everybody else did a fabulous job. This performance of each of these people will be remembered for a long time. Well, this movie has a very simple and easy to understand plot. The plot is that it's Chintu's birthday, and it's been 1 year since US invaded Iraq. This movie is about an Indian family living in Iraq when India believes that they have evacuated each and every Indian from Iraq. However, this family is unable to come to India because they came here with false passports. Maybe it seems during some time in the movie you find out that they had Nepali passports for some reasons. So they are unable to go back to India. Now the entire movie revolves around these guys trying to celebrate Chintu's birthday. Last year his birthday was spoiled because US invaded Iraq. Now when they are trying to get ready for Chintu's birthday party, suddenly two US Marines barge into their house and start searching for somebody. This somebody is basically their landlord, Mehndi, and he is hiding in a storage unit of some sort, but they eventually find him, and that's when the entire movie takes a turn and bad things start to happen. So that's primarily the plot of the movie. Now let's get into the review. This movie is an amazing movie. If you were deceived by my tone in the beginning of the review, I'm sorry, because this is not a happy movie. This movie is an emotional roller coaster which has so many ups and downs that you will feel emotionally exhausted at the end of it. There are many times in the movie that you feel like crying. There's a point where Chintu's mother is singing a song for his birthday, and suddenly a bomb blast happens outside. Your heart literally shatters. When the soldiers tear off 15 days of work that Chintu's sister did to make the poster for him, it's heartbreaking. The performances are amazing. Everybody has done such a fabulous job. Vinay Pathak, against all odds, tries to do the right thing always. He keeps fighting for his family throughout the movie. This movie is definitely a must watch, but it's a tearjerker. So make sure that you have some tissues handy. Amazing movie overall. It was a fabulous movie. That's all I have to say. From my side, this is a full 5-star movie. It's a low budget movie. It doesn't have too many outdoor locations or sets or anything. It's entirely shot inside a middle class house in Iraq. But the performances make it so fabulous. So, and as compared to the one of the movies that I did earlier, which was Dhoomketu, which had such a big budget, amazing actors, big cameos. This has none of that. But it has a good script, it has very good acting, and it will make you cry. That is a definite. Sometimes it will give you tears of joy as well. So watch out for that. Make sure you watch this movie. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.